The lesson topic for this video is Graphing Parabolas Applications, and this is how the level 2 questions will look for this standard. So in graphing parabolas, typically we are working on graphing them, but in our level 2s, the graph is going to be provided and we are going to need to be able to understand what the different parts of the graph mean. So let's answer some questions. So it says the graph shows the path of a water balloon launched off a building. All right, so here is where the balloon is launched from, and it's thrown up, and then it comes down, and it lands on the ground here. Notice that our x-axis is time, and our y-axis is height. So always take in that information as you start these questions. So the first question says, how long is the balloon in the air? All right, well, the balloon is in the air from here to here, which means it goes from 0 seconds to 8 seconds. So the answer there is 8 seconds. What is the greatest height of the balloon? Well, the height of the balloon reaches this point right here, and that's after 3 seconds. But what is that height? Well, that height is right in between 24 and 26 here, so 25 feet. And the height here is in feet, and the time is in seconds, and I didn't tell you that, sorry. All right, about how high is the balloon after 5 seconds? How high is the balloon after 5 seconds? Well, here's 5 seconds in our time, and we look up here at the path of the balloon, and it's right here, which has a height of 21. So 21 feet is how high it is after 5 seconds. The next question, after 1 second, how high is the balloon? All right, so again, after 1 second, the balloon is also 21 feet. Now think about that. Why is the balloon 21 feet at 2 different amounts of time? Well, because the path that it follows is a parabola. So we know there's going to be typically two x values at one specific y value. And so that y value of 21 means that's after 1 second, and also after 5 seconds, it'll be 21 feet off the ground. After 1 second, is the balloon going up or down? Well, the balloon is going up still till it reaches its peak, so it's going up. Do you think the balloon is traveling faster from 0 to 1 seconds or from 4 to 5 seconds? Well, from 0 to 1, this is the path of the balloon right here. And from 4 to 5 seconds, this is the path of the balloon. So what do you think? Do you think the balloon is traveling faster here or here? Well, think about this for a minute. It goes from 16 to 21 here, from 16 feet to 21 feet. Let's write that down, from 16 to 21 feet. And from 4 to 5 seconds, it's going from 24 feet to 21 feet. 24 to 21. So from 16 to 21, that is 5 feet of growth in that 1 second. And 24 to 21 is 3 feet of growth, or in this case, not height growth, but decreasing in height. Sorry about that. So which one? Well, obviously this one right here, which means that it's traveling faster in this 1 second than it is in this 1 second here. So from 0 to 1 second. And what height was the balloon thrown from is our last question. Well, the balloon was thrown from a height of 16 because after no seconds have gone by, the height of that balloon is 16 feet. So these are the types of questions we will be asked or asking you about graphs of parabolas so that we understand where different values are based on the x and y axis, in this case height and time.